Here's reigning PGA champion Justin Thomas lining up his Paw Patrol driver for the shot. And the Nickelodeon Slime Cup is underway.
Welcome to the Nickelodeon Slime Cup, a tournament of excellence, honor, and prestige. Four teams, 7 holes, one outrageous golf tournament.
Oh! It's not how you start, it's how you finish, though.
Says the people in the turtle outfit.
Ooh, right in the slime.
Oh my God!
The Slime Cup tees off Saturday, June 25th, only on Nickelodeon.
You're watching Nick.